subtract fractions, but these fractions are going to have like denominators. What does it mean when you have a like denominator?
The denominator stays.
Hayden, thank you for raising your hand. What does it mean?
When the bottoms are the same.
When the denominators are the same. Good job. So, if I have 3/6 and 4/5, is that the same?
No.
No. So we're not going to work with that today.
Yes.
We're going to add fractions like 3/6 and 4/6. Does anybody have an idea how I would add these two? Miss Ella?
You would do 3 plus 4 and that 7. And then 6 plus 6. No, you've never added 6. You never added numbers.
Okay, one little trick to adding and subtracting with like denominators is, are you listening? The denominators are going to remain the same. So, are you with me?
Yes.
So we're going to add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Denominators stay the same and equals 6. What do I have to do to this fraction? Emma?
You gotta make it a mixed number.
Okay, I have to change to a mixed number, okay? So this would be 6 goes into 7 one time with 1 left over. What do I do with my denominator?
Put 6 because it's your denominator.
Okay, so I now know that 3/6 plus 4/6 equals 1 and 1/6, right?
You always have to change it.
Yes, we don't want to leave it as an improper fraction. Okay? So, let's just do another one real quick of 6/14 plus 4/14. Do that on your own. From improper to mixed? Yes. Just like it's a good idea to simplify. But yes, I basically just wanted to see that you could add 6/14 plus 4/14. 6 plus 4 equals what?
10.
What do I do with my denominator?
You keep it the same.
I keep it the same. So my answer should be 10/14. I'm not worried that you are going to simplify these just yet, but it is important that you know how, because we just had a quiz over that, did we not?
Yes.
So what is 10/14 simplified to?
5/7.
5/7. Okay. I want to show you how to do this using fraction bars, okay? If we have a bar like this, and we're going to say this equals 1. Let's shade, or let's make our 10s. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be 10 altogether, right? Okay, so I have my fraction bar equals 1 total with 10 parts. Okay. I'm going to make one identical to it right below. This one will also be of 10 parts. They both equal 1. Okay? The top one we're going to shade in 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's my fraction?
6 over 10.
10. Wonderful, because we have 10 parts and 6 of them are shaded in. And with my bottom one, we are going to do 3 shaded in. So my fraction will be 3 tenths. Okay? Using this picture, we're going to add these two together, not with this, just with their pictures. Each individual little space here is how much? 110. Okay? So you could say you're adding 110 plus 110 plus 110, and that would equal 310. And up here you have 110 plus 110, 110, 110, and that equals 6. Okay. So now we'll take 6 tenths plus 3 tenths. So our answer is, Madison, 9 tenths. If you want, what you can do is take your bar from here, add it up here. So we have 1, 2, 3. We'll just fill in 1, 2, 3. And now I know it will be 9. My marker didn't even work. It'll be 9. Okay? That's just one way to do it if you would rather draw a picture, or if you'd rather just do it in your head with math. Can we do this with subtraction? Yes, you can. Is it going to be the same, or is it going to be different from adding?
The same.
So if I have 4 sevenths minus 2 sevenths, what do I do? Who knows? Paul, what do I have to do here? Yeah, I like them lined up. Tell me, what do I have to do here? Carson, are you with us? Not 2 minus 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And then I have to keep my denominator the same, right? It's as simple as that, isn't it?
It's something we should do this more often.
Something easy like this. Okay, let's make these into a bar though. So, you need 2 bars, same length. Make sure you're with us. How many parts is our bar going to be for 4 sevenths? 7. Okay. So how many bars are shaded in the top one? 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And our bottom one? 2. 1, 2. So let's take our bottom bar and add it to our top bar. Adding 2 more. Oops, I'm sorry. We're not adding. We're subtracting. Who caught me?
I did.
Okay. So we're going to take these 2. Well, that would be the way to add it, right? So we're taking these 2, and we're going to take them away from our 4. So what's our top bar left with instead of having
4?
Instead of having 4,
2.
we got rid of 2, and now we're just down to 2 7. Did that confuse anyone when I screwed up? Are you guys good? Let's do another.
Yeah, that did not confuse.
Okay. 7 ninths minus 4 ninths. I want you to draw me the bars and show me how to do it with that. Go. Just without creating our bars. Hayden, are you with us? Let's just do it over here first. 7 minus 4 is 3. What do I do now?
Keep your denominator.
Keep my denominator. Okay? We also, though, are going to show that we know how to do this using the bars. Okay? The bars equal 1. One whole number, right? The denominator tells us what?
How many columns?
How many parts? So that tells us how many little boxes we
8
need.
lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oopsie.
8.
I drew out another. So now I should have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? That's what our denominator tells us. What's our numerator telling us?
How much
So how many we are shading?
7.
So for this one we're going to shade in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're subtracting, we're going to take these 4 away up here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that these 4 we're getting rid of. How many are left in shaded? 3. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So that equals
3
9. And we know that we can divide 3 9 by 3 and get 1/3.
I knew it.
Good job. You guys are so smart.
Yeah, it's too easy.
Maybe we should get a drink.
Okay, let's do this one. I'm going to actually give you 2.
Yes.
Divide your paper in half.
Is this a
You're bored. Whatever.
Ready? I'll do it.
I gotta get this straight. This will take about 3 hours.
We have to draw the picture.
Yep.
The sun's burning.
They got some grass. So when you have to do the grass.
Hold on.
Plus.
Okay. Do the math for both, and I also want to see the bars for both.